Late at night when I need a friend, I press play and you're here again, teaching me about love and pain, dancing through the joy and rain. You showed us how to feel alive. Your spirit helps us still survive.